You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in Spanish. It's a different meaning than in English. In English, this word exists and it's pronounced valor. Now, in English, it means worth, what something is worth, how expensive it is, but how dear it is, how important it is. It's also value, all right? El valor is how it's normally pronounced in Spanish. Valor, a stress on the lor syllable. El valor, it's a masculine, valor. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.